Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili garlic sauce at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh red chilies, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, some white vinegar, a bit of sugar, and salt. These fresh components are key to achieving that vibrant, authentic flavor. Make sure your chilies are ripe and red for the best color and heat. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by washing and thoroughly drying your fresh red chilies, then carefully remove all the stems. Next, peel your garlic cloves. For efficiency, you can use a food processor to finely mince both the chilies and garlic together. This saves time and ensures a consistent texture for your delicious sauce. It's time to cook. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat, then add your minced chilies and garlic. Sauté them gently for a few minutes until fragrant. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Once your chili garlic sauce has cooled completely, transfer it into a clean, airtight jar. Store this delicious homemade condiment in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 3 to 4 weeks. It's perfect for adding a spicy kick to stir fries, eggs, or even as a vibrant dipping sauce. Enjoy the rich, bold flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.